This is a 1989 Harley Davidson 883 Sportster. It's a project, and this is why. We've got no chain on it. The primary casing is off. Don't know why. The engine does turn over just by putting a spanner on there. I haven't checked the gears because there's no chain, no sprocket, no lever I mean. I don't know the story to half these bikes that come in. The mind boggles sometimes. Well, it looks like it was on the road in 2018, so could have been stood since then. Who knows? If you fancy a project, there's another. Check it out on eBay or the website.